back to Solar Coffee. We're going to go on to method number 2. And in this method, we're going to take the iconic espresso maker, which is at 5 times atmospheric pressure. So essentially what happens when we put the water in here, the steam builds and then creates the pressure, which extracts the coffee. But as a simple espresso maker, it's a little bit, not all coffee is espresso, so arguably you can have some better flavors and stuff like that. And actually, an Italian friend of mine, you may know who you are, he told me fill it all the way to the top. So that's what we're gonna do. My Italian friend's name was Michael, by the way. No last names, of course. I also mentioned that I use these camping, so there's a reason why it's a little blackened. That may actually help my cause here, but I don't really think it's essential with the amount of power that we're about to use. It's been 5 minutes and we are done. Classic. Okay, I lost my temperature gun, but I found it. So we'll let the magic happen here. Put some of this organic cream in there. And again, there's too much sugar in the world, so let's pour the rest of that in there. Ooh. Yep. And then this is a nice 157. Also, again, I let some time slip, so